Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about the iPhone 17 lineup. Recent reports have been buzzing about a major design shift, with Apple seemingly taking inspiration from Google's Pixel phones. But if you're not a fan of that aesthetic, don't worry, there's good news. A fresh leak suggests that the base iPhone 17 model will maintain the familiar look of the iPhone 16, giving users a more traditional design option. For a while now, rumors have pointed to Apple introducing a Pixel-style design across the iPhone 17 series, sparking mixed reactions. Some Apple fans have expressed disappointment over this shift, but according to a new leak from industry insider John Prosser, Apple isn't going for a full redesign across the board. Instead, the base iPhone 17 will keep its predecessor's look, while other models, like the iPhone 17 Air, will embrace the new design language. Prosser, who has a solid track record when it comes to Apple leaks, shared this update in a tweet alongside a video discussing the iPhone 17 Air. While the video focused on the fresh look of the Air model, he clarified on Twitter that the standard iPhone 17 will retain its current design. This is great news for those who prefer Apple's existing style and don't want to adopt a Pixel-inspired look. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to replace the iPhone Plus variant, signaling a shift in Apple's strategy. It's expected to feature a horizontal camera bump similar to Google's Pixel lineup, making it a striking departure from traditional iPhone designs. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro will stick to its triple camera setup but with a larger camera bump, showing that Apple is experimenting while keeping certain signature design elements intact for its Pro models. While some may find the new design refreshing, others feel it lacks the originality Apple is known for. The Pixel-style camera bump is a bold move, making the iPhone look more modern, but it doesn't entirely feel like the Apple aesthetic we're used to. If you're not a fan of this change, the base iPhone 17 will still offer a familiar and safe alternative. However, choosing the base model does come with trade-offs. The biggest downside is missing out on the latest camera advancements and possible performance boosts. Apple has been pushing boundaries in smartphone photography, and skipping out on the enhanced setup might be a deal-breaker for photography lovers. Additionally, Apple usually reserves its most powerful chips and premium features for the Pro models, so the base iPhone the 17th may not deliver the same level of performance. But for the average user, this may not be a huge concern. Over the years, smartphone cameras and processors have reached such high levels of quality that minor upgrades don't always feel groundbreaking. Many Apple users now prioritize cost over cutting-edge specs, making a design variety within the iPhone 17 lineup a smart move. Apple is playing it safe by catering to different preferences. Those who love fresh and modern designs might appreciate the look of the iPhone 17 Air and Pro models, while those who prefer classic aesthetics can stick with the base version. This balanced approach ensures Apple appeals to both innovation seekers and users who value familiarity. So, what do you think? Do you like the idea of a Pixel-inspired iPhone, or are you glad that the base model is keeping its traditional design? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.